we are going to see how to overcome this issue when we execute a pip command from the command prompt, or when we try to install a package by running pip install package name from the command prompt, and when we end up with this issue. So basically we have to do two things for this. So firstly, we have to check from this path C drive username app data local programs Python. In my case I have Python 3.11 versions. Under scripts we need to check whether pip is installed and the file exists in this path. And the second one is we need to type environment in the search bar to get to the system environment variables, and then in the variables just double click on the path, add a path for the path that we saw previously. Just add that path. So once you click on it, and now if you go back to the command prompt and command, I think we have to restart it. Okay, I just need to click on OK, and then now from the command prompt, if I run command, you'll see it is working. So in my case I had already installed Python. So but if you want to make sure this is taken care beforehand while installing, let's see how to do it. Just launch the installation file again and then click on apply. So you need to make sure this is checked, this option is checked, install pip, and then in the next click add Python to the environment variable. So those two steps that we did manually, if you make sure to take care of it while installing itself, I hope we will not see any issues with the pip command. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it to the others. Thank you.